Let's start with the hacking itself. Now, hacking is the process of finding vulnerabilities in a system and using these found vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access into the system to perform malicious activities ranging from deleting system files to stealing sensitive information and more. Now, hacking itself is illegal and can lead to extreme consequences if you are caught in the act. People have been sentenced to years because of hacking. Now, on the other hand, the ethical hacking is legal if done with permission. So computer experts are often hired by companies to hack into their system to find vulnerabilities and weak endpoints so that they can be fixed. So people who hack into a system with permission without any malicious intent are known as ethical hackers, and the process is known as ethical hacking. Now, hacker can be sorted according to their intent to 4 types: the white hat hacker, the black hat hacker, the gray hat hacker, and the suicide hacker. Now, the white hat hacker is another name of an ethical hacker. They hack into a system with prior permission to find out vulnerabilities so that they can be fixed before a person with malicious intent finds them. Black hat hacker, they are also known as crackers, who hack in order to gain unauthorized access to a system and harm its operations or steal sensitive information. It is always illegal because of its malicious intent, which includes stealing corporate data, violating privacy, damaging the system, and so on. The gray hat hacker, they are a blend of both black hat and white hat hackers. They mostly hack for fun and exploit a security weakness in a computer system or network without the owner's permission or knowledge. Their intent is to bring the weakness to the attention of the owners. Suicide hacker. A suicide hacker is a person who works with the intent to bring down major corporations and infrastructure. These kinds of hackers are not scared of the consequences of their actions, as they mostly work with the vengeance in their mind. These people are also known as hacktivists. We sort the hacking into different types depending on what the hacker is trying to achieve: website hacking, network hacking, email hacking, password hacking, and computer hacking. The website hacking means taking unauthorized control over a web server and its associated software, such as a database and other interfaces. Hacking a network means gathering information about a network by using specific tools with the intent to harm the network system and hamper its operation. Email hacking is by gaining unauthorized access to an email account and using it without taking the consent of its owner for sending out spam links, third-party threats, and other such harmful activities. Password hacking is the process of recovering secret password from data that has been stored in or transmitted by a computer system. Computer hacking is the process of stealing computer ID and password by applying hacking methods and gaining unauthorized access to a computer system.